Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a nether portal using lava. This method is perfect for early game players or those without diamond pickaxes. You will need a few essential items: one bucket, a water source, and at least 10 blocks of obsidian. Don't forget your flint and steel to light it up. Let's get started on gathering those materials. To craft obsidian, find a lava pool or place a lava block. Then, carefully pour water onto an adjacent block, allowing the water to flow over the lava. This will instantly transform the lava into one obsidian block. You will need at least 10, but 14 is ideal for a full frame. Repeat this simple process until you have enough for your portal. Now that you have your obsidian, it's time to build the portal frame. Construct a rectangle that is 4 blocks wide and 5 blocks tall. Remember, the 4 corner blocks are optional and not necessary for the portal to activate, saving you 4 precious obsidian blocks. This means you will need a minimum of 10 obsidian blocks for the inner frame, or 14 for a complete look. With your frame complete, the final step is activation. Take your flint and steel and right-click on any of the inner obsidian blocks within the frame. You will see a magnificent purple, shimmering portal appear, signifying its readiness. Step into this mystical gateway to be instantly transported to the fiery and dangerous nether dimension. Good luck on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.